understand why they do that. I mean, they're elected judges. They're not going to be reversing these things.
Should we go forward on the assumption that he lied? That's the way I read the Court of Appeal opinion. The Court of Appeal, it seems, I read that, says that Mr. Spiro lied on the stand.
Well, they called it fantasy, but I think it's hard to, it's certainly clear that they thought his testimony was inconsistent with the actual facts.
Has he been prosecuted for perjury?
He hasn't been prosecuted for perjury.
And why is that?
I don't know the answer to that, Your Honor.
You know, it's a little disconcerting when the state puts on evidence, the evidence turns out to be fabricated, nothing happens to the lawyer, and nothing happens to the witness. And so I have to sort of doubt the sincerity of the state when it says this was a big mistake. I would think that if somebody lied on the stand right there in a criminal case, that the first thing that would happen is that there would be a prosecution of the witness, and if the lawyer had any complicity in it, that lawyer would get disbarred. How about the lawyer?
Pardon me?
How about the lawyer?
Which lawyer? Mr.
The prosecutor who put on the...
Weingrad?
Yeah.
Mr. Weingrad's retired now, and he never was disciplined either for BACA 1, where he was severely criticized for the evidence that he put on about BACA's prior conviction, prior child sex conviction. And
why is that? Why was he not disciplined? And what kind of encouragement does that give to young prosecutors about dealing with fabricated evidence like this?
Your Honor, all I can say about that is this. There is a new district attorney in Riverside this week. I've spoken with my superior in the Department of Justice, and when this matter wraps up, it is our intention to speak with the new district attorney and to make him aware of the severe criticism that came from Magistrate Judge Walls and the criticism mentioning the attorneys by name.
Sorry, what prevents you from doing it now? The criticism from the magistrate judge came a long time ago. You are prevented from bringing that to the attention of the...
No, Your Honor.